Hello gorgeous, welcome back to the channel. It's me Gigi and we're just going to do these 3 nails today. Super short video, getting ready for the weekend, and if it's still hot where you are, this video is for you because these nails are inspired by the end of summer and drinking a tall, delicious glass of pink lemonade. So what we're doing is just what you would do if you were building a nail. I know I'm working on tips, but I just really wanted to work with some gel today. And so I'm laying down a little base, just like you would if you were creating a nail on yourself or a client. Now we're gonna mix up some glitter. And I'm gonna mix this one up in front of you, but there's a pink one that is coming that I do not mix up on camera. I had it from before, so I just decided to stir it up and freshen it a little with some more gel, and I figured you see me mixing this one, I'm not really doing anything except stirring the other one, so I didn't really worry about it. Please forgive me that there's a couple spots where you should have seen something happen and you don't, because I didn't click record. When I do the nail that is pink and yellow together, my dog was barking, so I ran outside, and I didn't remember when I came back that I had pressed record on the way, or pause on the way out. So oops. And here's the pink nail. So we've got one full yellow nail that we are going to put some lemons on, and then we're going to have just this full pink nail, and this is the oopsie nail because I did not press record, but it's just kind of sheer. You can a little bit see through it. It's got that pretty yellow on the top and the bottom with a swoosh of the pink going through it, almost like you're just making your lemonade, right? And I was thinking, I think most lemonades are just maybe food coloring. There's not a fruit aspect to the pink, but if I were making pink lemonade, I think I'd make raspberry lemonade. And that's what I was thinking, that all the glitter would be like the seeds and stuff from the raspberries. I love raspberries. So anyway, however you choose to make your pink lemonade, this set is inspired by that and everyone who loves summer, which is not me, actually. I don't really love summer, but you can't get away from it. So I did not show you the first lemon slice, because it's exactly the same as the second lemon slice, and I figured you're going to see me do it right here. Oops, oopsie, I dipped down a tiny bit. I'm sorry about that, but it's very similar. Actually, it's exactly the same as the way I did the lemon lime slice video, so I'm going to link that for you up here. Be sure to get over and watch that because it's an even more detailed fruit nail. I thought it was done, wasn't done, a little more smoothing, and then we're going to cure that up, and we're going to add a little more yellow here just to make the rime. And that's all, pretty much all we're going to do with this nail. This is a super easy, very simple nail art look. Anyone could make this happen. So if you do this, please tag me. I want to see your work. I love when you guys share your work with me. And we're also going to add that yellow polish here along the white. I just thought it gave it a real pretty finished look that goes with the other nail a little more. I didn't do 5 nails because I just wanted to focus on these, but you could add 2 white nails or a pink and a yellow nail or ombres or whatever you want to make this a cohesive set, and it would be really cute. So I want to see what you guys do. Be sure to tag me. It is time for some top coat. We're gonna do a little top coat. Here comes the shine of the glitter, all from the top coat. There's your song to start you off for the weekend. I know it was lame, but sometimes you're lame. I can't help it. I just can't help it. Look at how pretty those are, guys. I absolutely love these. I feel like I wish I'd done them on myself, and that maybe next summer I'm going to start summer with this set or something. I don't know. We'll have to do a recreation if I do that. Let me know in the comment section what you think. While you're down there, please click my buttons and don't forget to ring the bell. That's how this channel grows, and we'll see you next week. Bye.